Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We are now in one of my favorite seasons of the year, peach season. And today we are going to make a dish called peach galette. It is so simple to make, I promise anyone can make it. So first we are going to start out with a 1-pound can of peaches. Make sure you drain them. I used canned peaches for this because for this dish I like my peaches to be a little soft. So you pour the peaches in the bowl, and then I started out with my sugars, my dry ingredients. So I mixed my sugars and my flour in, and then I went to my spices. Stir it. I took my time stirring it because, again, I used canned peaches, so they're already soft. If you're using ripe peaches or fresh peaches, make sure they're nice and soft and ripe. Don't use anything hard. I promise you, you don't want hard peaches in this dish. After that, I used a pie crust. If you want to make your own dough, have at it. I use pie crust. You take your pie crust, and as you can see, I formed them in a little, I'm all about presentation, so I formed them all going clockwise in a very fancy way, fold over the dough. I had a really good time doing this because I love presentation. I love entertaining for friends and family. You fold it over. After that, use egg wash. So I put a little egg wash, sprinkle a little sugar, take a couple little pieces of butter, then put it in your oven 425 degrees for about 30 minutes. I promise your friends and family will love this dish. I'm gonna give mine a try, and I think you should too. So head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe. I'm gonna go enjoy mine. I promise you will too.